when they come in abroad, then there are many dream and hope. When let's they come in abroad, then all hope and dream are broken, because Prabhas is very stronger. Prabhas is very critical. Prabhas is very hard position, and they know as any relative, any companion, any friend, any things, and all time tension, fear, all time thinking and thinking, and expense they come in abroad totally as a one man for money 5,20,000, 5,80,000, 5,90, and it's very critical as a critical as a life as a expense. So it's a most of persons it's a poor, it's a poverty, and it's a loan no recovery, it's a no recovery, and due no recovery. So all dreams and hope it's a broken, and mind and body all side of all time upset and upset. Then sometimes let's go in Prabhas, then Prabhas is very hard and hard. It's a maybe, it's a to be, it's a maybe. Then it's a Prabhas, some people is oil, and most of the people's for hard position, critical position, stronger position, and bad position. So it's a critical position overcome. It's maybe salary get 60,000 or 70,000, but most the person salary get 30,000. Then on my say expense 250, the part 850 as a expense as a sent as a money, then money exchange 24,000, and 24,000 as a totally as a 12 years, as a 12 years but 10 years as a after as a recovery as a 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 7 lakh. So it's all time, so all things as a thinking as a end next as a decision as a come in abroad.